So what are we looking at right here? A custom turbo manifold for an LS engine?
What makes it different is a modular setup. We sell them where they end at the turbo at the V-band flange here, and from there the customer puts the components on that fits his application. So he can buy just his 45 and a 90 and put the turbo anywhere he wants it. We have these in 180 and S-shape. Sell for $749 to the flange, and the components then are put on as needed.
Okay. All stainless,
American-made
TIG
stainless.
welded.
American-made stainless fabricated in our facility.
Okay. Very cool. I like that it's not just your typical log manifold either. It looks like it flows better, you know, than just a straight cast iron one would. So what does your company primarily do then? Your exhaust
the majority of our business
exhaust solutions?
We sell components to customers that build their own headers. We sell mandrel bends, flanges, collectors.
Okay.
All American made.
And you make these interesting 6-to-1, 8-to-1, 4-to-1. And I'd imagine you do a 5-to-1 as well, since you got the Viper there. So.
Right, all handmade at customer
all handmade, huh?
Yep.
How long does it take to weld something like this? I know you put it in a jig, I'm sure, and that's cone in there. Yeah, I could imagine. It's a piece of artwork right here. It looks like a rocket that should go to space or something. So, yeah. So what do you call these devices on the side over here? Because I've seen one of your competitors and they're just using PVC pipes. So
this is a mock-up kit that our customers they rent from us.
Oh, okay.
And so they'll mock up the design in the car, they'll take it out, and they'll make a welding fixture from it. So now they're building a header on the bench. It has degree of bends in the elbow, and from here they'll use a cut template that have these degrees registered in it. They mark the bend, they cut the bend, and they're building the header on the bench rather than in the car.
Yeah.
So it's a lot easier, a lot more productive.
Okay, yeah, I can imagine. So yeah, you test fit it in your engine bay, and then you fabricate this so it fits everything, not in the way of your steering shaft or anything, and then when you're done, yeah, you weld it up on the bench. Okay, that's very cool.
Thank you.
All right, well, pleasure talking to you, and hope to see you again at SEMA.
You bet.
Here, the booth of lead oil. Yeah. Wentz is here. Check Burns is here. The girl is here. No. Sorry. No, I think we get together.